سلام خوش اومدین به یه ویدیو دیگه. این ویدیو رو به درخواست دختر خواهرم گذاشتم که برامون بستنی درست میکنه و توی ویدیو انگلیسی صحبت میکنه. لطفا نظرتون رو برامون کامنت کنین. ممنون که تا آخر ویدیو با من هستید.
Hello guys, today we're gonna make two kinds of ice cream. First one is banana and nuts. The second one is some watermelon. First up, we're gonna make the banana. We take the banana, we peel the bananas into the mixer, then some chocolate, then some nuts, then milk. After that, sugar. One, two, three, and four. Now we're gonna mix it up together. So now we're gonna mix it. Now we're gonna get it into these. So delicious. Oh my gosh, what just happened? Just swing in force. Okay, now we're gonna make the second ice cream. So let me get up a bit. Now we're gonna watermelon. Easily, so it doesn't feel any. And now this like the mostly jelly powder. With one now we're gonna mix it up again. It's so pink. I love it. Pink. Okay. And now we're gonna even it's spoiled, but I just make it prettier like this. This time I'm gonna make it great. See up, not again. What in the world happened? It's spoiled, but I'm just making it a little bit prettier. Yeah, I don't know. Okay. Now we're gonna put it in the freezer to freeze and I'm gonna show you just a little later. For now, goodbye. Just wait until it's freezing, and I'm gonna show you. Bye-bye.